sa'kin ang mundo.
Brief history of Dumangas. Dumangas was originally called Araut, a Malayan term meaning toward the sea, reflecting its coastal location in 1605. During Spanish rule, it was renamed Dumangas. The origin came from Dos Mangas, or two mango trees, Sitio Dumangas. Dumangas started as a small Malay settlement in the 12th to 13th century. Spanish explorers arrived, marking first contact. Christianity was introduced in 1569, and by 1572, the first church was built, officially establishing the town under Spanish rule. Dumangas joined the Philippine Revolution led by Quintin Salas during the American period 1899 to 1901. The town resisted until Salas surrendered. From 1942 to 1945, it was occupied by Japanese forces during World War II, but local guerrillas fought back, leading to its liberation on March 18, 1945. Quintin Salas is the most notable revolutionary leader of Dumangas. Known as the bravest Ilonggo revolutionary, he led local forces against Spanish and American rule, using guerrilla tactics that made him hard to capture and was regarded as a hero protected by the townspeople. Colonel Quintin Salas, 1870 to 1917, was a prominent Filipino revolutionary leader from Iloilo, known as the last Visayan general to surrender to American forces during the Philippine-American War in 1901. A brilliant guerrilla strategist from Dumangas, he led the liberation of several Iloilo towns before later becoming a lawyer. The statue of Colonel Quintin Salas in Dumangas, Iloilo, honors the last rebel in Panay, a revolutionary hero who fought against both Spanish and American colonial forces. In local governance, Ramon Diremdes served as mayor and vice governor, helping improve infrastructure, hospitals, and Narciso Dollar Monfort, along serving congressman, supported education and public services. Ramon de Vinegracia Diremdes was a prominent Filipino politician who served as the longest-serving vice governor of the province of Iloilo, holding office from 1972 to 1992. Known for his legacy of integrity, he was honored with a dedicated commemorative day on July 14 and has a district hospital in Dumangas, Iloilo, named after him. Geography. Dumangas is a first-class municipality located in the province of Iloilo. In the western Visayas region, it lies along the southeastern coast of Iloilo, covering approximately 128.9 square kilometers. Its terrain is mostly flat plains with rivers and coastal areas that support agriculture and fishing. The town's natural resources. Dumangas has an estimated population of over 70,000 people. This town relies on farming as well as fishing. Dumangas is especially known for its bangus or bangus, which plays an important role in local livelihoods. Location: situated along the coast of Iloilo, serving as a gateway with a bustling seaport or Dumangas Port. Topography: generally flat, making it ideal for agricultural expansion and aquaculture or fish ponds. Land use: dominated by agriculture with extensive rice fields and substantial fish ponds area. Culture: Dumangas is a historic coastal town with a culture deeply rooted in fishing, agriculture, and Spanish-era religious heritage. The Ermita Shrine houses the ruins of the first stone church on Panay Island, built in 1572 by Augustinian friars. Now a recognized National Historical Site, this historical landmark, also known as the Guho ng Kapilya ng Ermita, is protected by a concrete shelter. The St. Augustine Parish Church, established in 1569, is renowned as one of the oldest and first stone churches on Panay Island. Tawas Festival, an annual celebration held in October to honor the town's bountiful harvest from both agriculture and aquaculture, particularly its thriving fishing industry. It features vibrant street dancing, cultural showcases, and the Guban tribal competition, celebrating the local banguros or milkfish harvest.